Welcome to My Computer Career's Tech Out. I am Russ Monasteri, your Assistant Director of Education. I wanted to do something different, and here we are. I've put together a team of coworkers that I closely work with and love. Let's do an intro in no particular order. Corey Sadler, Senior Lead Instructor for Live Online. Betsy Wilkins, Senior Instructor Mentor. Andrea Rio, Assistant Director of Student Success. And Terrell Anthony, Executive Director of Operations for Cyber Tech High School. Now, are you guys ready to play a little game? MTA Security, that's the focus, guys. MTA Security, Security Fundamentals. Let's see how much you know.
Our topics are security layers, understanding operating system security, network security, understanding security software, common ports, attacks, and I think that's the last one. Okay, here we go. I need the main screen. There we go.
Ooh.
Okay, so here are our categories. Nobody's getting any money, and we're all here for just laughs. Okay, Betsy, you're up. What do you want?
How about understanding security software for 100?
Understanding security software for $100. This wall can't be climbed by hackers.
What is a firewall?
That is correct. What is a firewall? Very good. All right. Drea, you're up.
How about attack for 200, please, Russ?
Attacks for 200. This attack is not a kung fu movie. It simply keeps trying every possibility until it gets through.
What is a brute force attack, Russ?
What is a brute force attack? That is correct. What is a brute force attack? Very good, Drea. Corey, you're
go
up.
Big or go home. That's my motto, right? So I'm going to go with.
I like it.
Let's do understanding security software for 400, Alex or Russ. All right.
Okay. Ooh, I'm Alex now. Ooh, Alex. Alex Russ. I am Alex Russ. I like that. Read and execute, read, write, full control, modify, list folder contents are the basic permissions for this file system.
I know this one. Let's go with what is the new technology file system, Russ?
Is that NTFS?
That would be NTFS.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Terrell, what do you want?
I know a bunch of tech whizzes on here. I will do common ports for 200, Alex Russ.
Common ports for 200?
Yes.
Remote desktop protocol.
That's all you're going to give me? Remote desktop protocol?
That's it. That's all I have. That's it. Good luck.
What is
pressure's on?
What is thanks. I appreciate it. What is port 3389?
That is correct. Very good, Terrell. That is correct. Okay, we're going to circle back to Betsy.
All right, let's go for security layers for 300.
Security layers for $300. This is the main purpose of UAC. Main purpose now.
What is the principle of least privilege?
Principle of least privilege, that is correct. Very good. What is to limit the privileges of software? And that's basically what that control does. Yes, very good. Very good. Drea, you're up.
All right. How about understanding operating system security for 100, please, Alex Russ?
Okay. Yes, Alex Russ. Disabling unused services, updating with newest patches are examples of this.
Oh, I know this one. What is locking down a server?
Very good. Server hardening, locking down a server. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, we're going to circle back to Corey.
All right, Alex, I'm going to take attacks for 500.
Whoa, attacks for 500. I'm scared. Ooh, we have a diagram here.
Boom.
Oh, I like diagrams. Kind of like a flow chart, but better. All right.
Okay,
So I'm going to go
what
with,
is this diagram showing? Based on what you see here, Corey, you have several steps. What is the diagram showing?
It is showing MITM, man in the middle.
What is man in the middle attack? Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, I think we are good here, folks. Yes? Did we have fun? Right, Terrell, I have one more for you, don't I? I do. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Terrell, give us one more. Give us one more. Good stuff. Good times, guys.
Category attack. Let's do 100 for attack.
Okay. Tax 100, yes. Retrieving information by posing as a trustworthy entity. I have no clue. Mark knows it.
My kids do this all the time to me. What is phishing attack?
Yes, what is a phishing attack? Very common out there. Yes, yes, very good, guys.
Hey, listen, we had a lot of fun. We reached the end of yet another informative video. If you like this video and want to see more Tech Out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, leave a comment on what IT topic you would like us to cover on our next episode. Let's continue our conversation at Cybersecurity Lounge. I would love to hear from you. Thank you very much, everybody.
Depending on, Mark, I have to start that over, okay? Yeah. All right. Student success can have several definitions depending on, start again. All these bloopers. Oh, this happens all the time. Student success, don't laugh, Terrell, come on.
How would you describe the role of an IT, Mark? Oh, man, I had that so good, too. Yeah, you did. Now I'm angry, guys. Now I'm angry. All right.
Yeah, all right. Can we get IT in here?
I'll be right there, Tyrell.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I need backup. Yeah. Let me do my phone a friend.
Hey, let's port into his computer.
What, 3389? Oh, what did you, hold on a second. I clicked the wrong button. Nope, that's the wrong one. Technical difficulties.